For question number 4, it is not a calculation. It is just recognizing that the amount of energy given off by, or I'm sorry, the amount of energy absorbed by the water is equal to the amount of energy given off by the burning Cheeto. So this is just a statement that says the amount of energy released by the burning Cheeto is equal to the amount of energy absorbed by the water, and which is equal to whatever you just got in question 3A. So whatever you got in question 3A, report it here. So we're going to put like a colon, and so this should be in kilocalories. So it's equal to whatever you got from 3A in kilocalories. That's the amount of energy released by the burning Cheeto. We measured it when it was absorbed by the water. All right, moving to question number 5. This is the mass of the burned Cheeto. So going back to our data table, this is essentially what you got in the original mass of the Cheeto in grams minus what was left over in data point F. Okay, so we're going to call that answer number 5, whatever you got for that burned Cheeto. And so moving on to question number 6, the energy content of the Cheeto is going to be equal to, we're going to say energy is equal to the kcals divided by the grams of the Cheeto burned. So energy is equal to whatever you got for 3A divided by whatever you got from number 5. Okay, and so that unit is going to be in kcals per gram. That will be the unit there. Okay, so you're going to substitute the numbers in that you got, and we're going to call this our answer to number 6. Okay. Question number 7 is percent error. So percent error is equal to the accepted minus the measured divided by the accepted. We're going to put those in absolute value, and then of course the whole thing is I ran out of room here, times 100. Okay, so the percent error, the accepted value here is given as 5.4 kcal per gram. Okay, we're going to subtract from that the measured. The measured is whatever you just got here in number 6. So whatever you got from number 6. All that in absolute value. We're going to divide that by 5.4 kcal per gram. The whole thing is multiplied by 100, and so the percent error is going to be equal to some number that will have a percent after it. Okay. The conclusion is essentially you're basically stating your measured, that's the first sentence, is your measured energy, which is what you got from number 6. Okay, this is really messy right here. Okay, so in your conclusion statement, first sentence, you should tell me what your measured energy content is. That's what you got from number 6. So you're going to do this all using sentences. I'm just outlining the structure of what this paragraph should look like. You're going to state whether or not this measured is over or under the accepted value. The accepted value being the 5.4 kilocalories per gram. And then I want you to, then the third statement is you need to explain why you think that is, why you think your measured value is over the expected or if it is under. So there should be at least 3 sentences there in your conclusion paragraph. All right. Thanks for listening, and see you in the classroom.